ज्योतिष के क्षेत्र में अपनी सफलता का परचम लहरा चुके ज्योतिष गुरु श्री के.एन. राव के हाथों मेडल से सम्मानित, अपनी सटीक भविष्यवाणी के लिए सुप्रसिद्ध और ज्योतिष अलंकार एवं ज्योतिष आचार्य अवार्ड से सम्मानित ज्योतिष आचार्य रमन जी।
Hello friends, this is Acharya Raman, Vedic astrologer since last 20 years. Continuing in the series of planets in different signs, we are taking up the planet Saturn, and to know how Saturn behaves in signs and what are the results we get when Saturn is posted in different signs, and also what would be the health problems associated with it, and finally we'll get to know the remedies for it. We'll all learn in a very simple and easy way which even a person who is not very much acquainted with Vedic astrology would understand easily. Friends, at the end of the video, if you did like it, please do comment on it, like it and share it, and also please do subscribe to my channel. So friends, let us start astrology in easy way, and the topic would be Saturn in Taurus sign. Saturn is exalted in Libra, it is debilitated in Aries, and Capricorn and Aquarius are considered to be its own sign. As you can see the Lagna chart or main chart here, the first house always remain where ascendant is written. First house will always be this one where ascendant is written. The numbers written here are the Rashi or sun sign. As you can see, 3 number written here stands for Gemini, then 4 number for Cancer, then Leo, Virgo and so on. In this chart, as you can see, Saturn is posted in 12th house in Taurus sign. Now to start with results of Saturn in Taurus, the natives with Saturn in Taurus need to work hard for everything. Also, they are of a very dominating personalities, and mainly they keep a very strict control over their daily tasks. These are the modern point of view if Saturn is in Taurus. Now according to the old scripture or Parashari point of view, if Shani be in Vrishab or Saturn be in Taurus at the time of one's birth, he will be bereft of wealth, be a servant, will speak undesirable words, be untruthful, will win the hearts of old women, will have bad friends, be addicted to women, will serve other women, be not outspoken, will have a strong side, be related to numerous assignments and be a fool. These are, I think, 2 harsh words of results of Saturn in Taurus, and we should actually see the position of Saturn and its aspect and its dignity in the chart as a whole. But making or taking both the things, we can say the results of Saturn in Taurus would be they need to work hard, they are dominating and they keep strict over a daily task, and also being in the sign of Venus, they might have some addiction to women, or they might have some serve women or connections with other women. And Saturn being a planet of maturity, people might have connection with older women as well. So both these old things like Parashari and modern point of view are coming to be true. Both of them are okay. Now the health problem associated with it is that they can have problem in neck, the lower jaw teeth, and they could have thyroid problem. The remedies associated with it is that the person should wear blue sapphire only when Saturn is benefic for them, or Saturn is owning a benefic house, or it is placed with benefic, aspected by benefics. But if it is aspected or if placed with malefics, then person should strictly avoid blue sapphire. Then they should do mantra instead of wearing a gemstone. Also friends, these are the general remedies, and for specific remedies, for a native, I need to see the horoscope in totality, then I can recommend or advise any specific remedy or solution for him. So friends, hope you like my video, and if you did like it, please do comment on it, share it and subscribe to it. And if you need any consultation from me, you can WhatsApp me on 9911351351, or you can log on to www.astrologerraman.com. Thank you friends.
अगर आप भी समस्याओं से परेशान हैं और समाधान पाकर अपने जीवन को सुखमय बनाना चाहते हैं, तो जाने माने ज्योतिषाचार्य आचार्य रमन जी से मिलकर इन सभी समस्याओं का समाधान प्राप्त करें। 3341 सेक्टर 23 हुड्डा, गुड़गांव, हरियाणा 122001। हमारे कॉन्टैक्ट नंबर्स हैं 09911 351 351, 08130 201 201। हमारी वेबसाइट है www.theindianastrologer.com।